Welcome to the 11th video in the series, Foundations of Communist Organizing. Today we'll be going over the 1919 piece by the Third International, the platform of the Communist International, which I have subtitled, Social Pacifism is Hypocrisy that Must be Unmasked. The Communist Party avoids any sort of trends towards a reformist or pacifist position, and aims at all times to develop its capacity to organize on militant lines that directly advance the class struggle in all forms. Any usage of bourgeois social structures must be subordinate to this militant maximization of class struggle. In service to this aim, all opportunist and liquidationist groups must be broken with, as they make such militancy impossible. In addition, the party must be part of an international organization of communist organs, which engages in mutual aid to imperialize nations so as to break down the imperialist system. And that is my summary of the platform of the Communist International according to the Third International. If you'd like to go over the quotations I derived this summary from, then please feel free to go into the description below, and you'll find a link to the Google Doc which contains this and the quotations and summaries I made of those. In addition, you'll find a link to the United Marxist Pact Discord server if you'd like to talk about this or any other text, then we would love to have you. With that said, tomorrow we will be going over the 1919 piece, also by the Third International, Theses on Bourgeois Democracy and the Dictatorship of the Proletariat. Thank you for joining me for today's topical summary, and I hope to see you then.